Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and today we are going to discuss the BTC, Ethereum and LTC price actions. We are witnessing again a new all-time high, that the BTC breaking the next psychological level of $60,000. At the same time, most of the altcoins started moving with BTC. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at the important levels to watch for BTC and potential target price for it. Before I start this video, I wish you a very happy weekend, and I really hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and this will help you to take your own trade. For the BTC, support levels are totally changed, bear in your mind. And as usual, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, without wasting a time, let's dive in. Starting from the BTC under a higher time frame. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, exactly a year ago that we saw this dump. March dump. As you remember, the lowest price was $3,850, and after that we had this parabolic move towards the upside non-stop, and today we are witnessing breaking of the $60,000, and that was actually mind-blowing price action from BTC. So weekly time frame, it is very healthy, and we had this scenario of potential double top under a weekly time frame. As I said in the last video, as long as we will be below this 57,100, 57,200, then we may have under a weekly time frame a correction. As long as tomorrow we're going to close above this 57,500 area, then we are good to go towards our next target. So overall, weekly time frame is very bullish. Moving on to the daily time frame. Since last year March dump, we are following in the last few months this parabolic curve. As you can see, acted as a support beautifully, acted as a support recently again, it acted as a support. So daily time frame as well, we had similar scenario, a likelihood of a double top. As you can see, we are literally now breaking $57,450 in a daily time frame. Again, as long as on the daily time frame, if we're going to stay above 57,600 level, then we are good to go. Daily time frame is extremely bullish. 4-hour time frame, as I said, support and resistance levels are changed. So at the moment we are following only this resistance line. Also, I changed it. We may see some sort of price action coming and retesting. Otherwise, the price action, it looks very healthy under a daily time frame as well as 4-hour time frame. If you remember, we had a resistance line around here, $51,500, $52,000. We tried actually number of times. First time, second time rejection, third time rejection, fourth time, and fifth time we managed to break. And then with the retest of this line, we're just heading towards the upside under a 4-hour time frame. So at the moment we don't need this support 2, support 3 and support 4, because I believe once we're going to start moving towards the upside, these support levels again, it's going to change very quickly. For this stage, we might retest again this level. Otherwise, we may come again, visit 58,900, 58,800, and then we are good to go towards the upside to our target zone. And the target price, since the previous all-time high, if you remember, we had this level of the target price, $56,500 and $57,000. And at the moment, we have a new target zone that we've been following again for over a couple of weeks. The next target in the midterm, it will be 1618 Fibonacci level of $67,900 and $70,000 area. So 4-hour time frame is very healthy and bullish. 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, if you remember, again we had the resistance level between $49,000 and $49,300. So again, you can see a number of rejections right in here on the 2-hour time frame, rejections around here. Once we broke it, retested, and then we went all the way up to the bullish territory. 2-hour time frame is extremely bullish, same as a 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame was bullish quite earlier than the rest of the time frame. Once we broke this 49,200 area, as you can see, retested, and since then we are heading towards the upside. However, if you remember, we spoke about this potential double top The first one, the previous all-time high, was around 58,000, and that recently we reached to the $58,000. However, we had this resistance that we've been following. I updated via my Twitter account. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. All instant updates will be via Twitter. So that update was made a couple of days ago before we reached to the $56,000. And as I said, this level is very important. It matches with special Fibonacci level as well. However, I mentioned that we have lots of support down below. For the double top to play out, we're supposed to break around 45,000 area. However, as I said, we had 51,000 support lines, and as well as 45,000 high time frame supports are actually within this territory. And at the same time, on the 4-hour time frame, we had a higher highs. In the RSI, we saw a lower highs. At the moment, on the 4-hour time frame, it seems the bulls are winning. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intent mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this. Moving on to Ethereum. Under the daily time, Ethereum is bullish and healthy, only we've got a minor resistance above us. I'll show you in a minute. Moving on to a 4-hour time frame. Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, since last week we've been following this resistance level, which was the previous all-time high, and as well as special Fibonacci level was around here. So we've got support 1, which has been slightly changed, and support 2. The rest of the support levels down below are not really important at the moment, because we are extremely bullish on all time frames. When we analyze the 4-hour time frame, same thing as you can see, number of rejections, first rejection, second rejection, and then the third last rejection. Once we rejected from here, and you can see it, we were inside this box, we managed to hold it, we went up again, retested, and 4-hour time frame actually in the bullish territory. So 4-hour is extremely bullish for Ethereum. 2-hour time frame, same scenario applies for the 2-hour time frame. Once we managed to break this resistance, now at the moment you can see support 2, which used to be resistance around 1660 and 1610. We retested, and 2-hour time frame as well, same as 4-hour time frame, which is in the bullish territory. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame bullish was confirmed earlier than 2-hour time frame. As you can see, we've got rejected, went all the way towards the south. Second time we got rejected. Last time we managed to break it, retested, and 1-hour time frame is in the bullish territory. So what we can expect from here is, I'm watching this very important resistance level that we saw BTC struggle to break this level for a couple of days. We might go there and then see some sort of consolidation around here. However, as I said, we are bullish on all time frames. As long as we're going to break this level and we are good to go towards the next all-time high, which is the first stop is going to be 2,200, 2,500 levels. It will be updated via Twitter. If we're going to reject from here, we might have a chance to visit this area again, 1825, 1770 area. And I believe this level should hold. However, we will see how this resistance will react once we reach to this level. Moving on to Litecoin. As you can see, we've got Fibonacci levels as well as the support and resistance lines. At the moment, we will be looking at the horizontal support and resistance lines. As soon as we broke 193,200 level that you see, number of 4-hour candles, we got struggled actually to break this level, and at the same time we had a resistance. We managed to break, we came back, this level held perfectly, we went all the way up again. That was our resistance line, 210 and 215 level. However, at the same time, I did update via Twitter. So once we got this liquidation data, I said whoever is shorting LTC are wrong, just gave a long signal. As soon as we managed to break and stay above this support line of 193,200, 4 hours started giving a bullish signal. As you can see, we reached to the exactly dollar to dollar to this upper line of this resistance. We came back again exactly dollar to dollar to 200 level. As you can see, the week to week, dollar to dollar played out with this week, retested, and since then we are heading towards the upside. I took this signal with my students, and if you want to trade alongside with me, you can message me via Telegram, Magnate8. When we look into a Fibonacci level, as usual, we have a match of 0.5 level as well as the 0.618 golden zone. So at the moment you can see number of 4-hour candles getting slightly rejection from 786 zone. However, this is not really important level. So overall, Litecoin is bullish. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.